From a very young age, we all grew up interacting with physical objects around us. And it is the physical touch and gestures that let us play around and manipulate with these things. As a developer, we took on the responsibility of providing the users with an ultimate intuitive user experiences. We wanted to make use of simple gestures to control the way we read ebooks on the desktop PC. The application is titled AutoFlip and it consists of two modules, the input module and the output module. As you can see, on top of the laptop is the creative gesture camera, which acts as our input module, and we have made use of the Intel Perceptual Computing SDK to fetch the inputs. And as far as the output is concerned, we have made use of the Adobe Acrobat SDK, and we have integrated both of them using Microsoft Visual C#. We have put together the installation package, as you can see here. The installation package consists of the one-step installer, and it also contains an AutoFlip tutorial that is compiled by us along with a readme file. Now, the installation is fairly simple. Double click on the setup should install. There you go, and the application opens as such. Now, the first thing that we highly recommend you to do is to navigate to the package directory and open up the AutoFlip tutorial. We have put together this document to give you an overview of the kind of gestures that will be used to activate. You can see this is the privacy notification, and this is a step-by-step tutorial explaining what each and every gesture does. Now when you are ready, click on choose PDF, and as an example, I'm going to navigate to one of my PDF document. Now when I'm ready to activate the camera, I have to hover my mouse over this box here. The top right hand side shows my camera status, and as you can see here, my camera status is active right now. This small picture box here shows the gestures that are detected. So as you can see here, I've activated auto scroll down by the thumbs down gesture. If I feel that the speed is too slow for me, I could increase the speed by slide down. There you can see it's getting progressively faster and faster. Now as you can see here, the text box here shows the last gesture that is detected along with the speed of the auto scroll. Now if I feel that the auto scroll is too fast, I could slow it down by sliding my fingers like this. There you go. And say I quickly want to get to the end of the document, I could scroll down to the at a very fast pace, and say if in case I want to stop, we have also included the go to next page and go to previous page functionalities, and you could go to the next page by a simple swipe movement like this. You could go to the previous page by a swipe movement like this, and if you in case want to scroll, you could go with a thumbs up gesture. In case you want to speed up your scroll up, you could swipe it up like this, and as you can see, it's scrolling faster and faster. When you're done reading, you could close the application by a simple wave gesture, and there you go.